Today we're at EXCETK and we're reviewing the ED400C die sinking machine. Now this is one of the top machines in EXCETK's EDM die sinking line, mainly because of the size and the range of features. Now this particular machine can hold workpieces up to 1,000 kilos in size. Now let's check out some of the key features that make this a top-selling unit for EXCETK.
Introducing EXCETK's new line of die sinker EDM equipment with the rise and fall tank and total automation. It will consist of a 400 size and a 600 size machine.
This is a sophisticated spark generation unit, and it also has an extensive spark generation database. Now this helps you reduce electrode wear, boost your production efficiency to save time and money. Now if you want to know more about this EDM die sinking machine or the full range of EDM solutions from EXCETK, call them today.